Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about changing your Gmail default country code or just changing what country is associated with your Gmail account. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Gmail account, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then select mo lang dito yung settings. And then next step, makikita mo dito yung quick settings and then itap mo lang tong see all settings. So dito sa see all settings, dito lang sa taas, ito yung general. And then baba ka na, makikita mo kaagad dito yung phone numbers, default country code. Okay, so kapag clinic mo tong araw na to, nandito lahat yung country. So pwede ka naman mag-select dito kung anong gusto mo country. But since na Philippines tayo, so iselect mo lang yung ating default country code na Philippines. And then dito naman sa language, so Gmail display language, so pwede mo naman itong i-change, so click mo lang itong arrow nito, and then select ka lang dito kung ano yung preferred mo na language dito. Alright, so once nakapag-select ka na, and then scroll down lang tayo, and then click mo lang to save changes. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-change your Gmail default country code. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.